And welcome to today's weekly review. Quickly, I just want to look at a few things with regards the entries we made in this week. Okay, and I'm going to be quickly looking at GU, GJ, and like you all know, the synthetics. I'm going to be looking at volatility 25 and jump 25. Okay, so I always tell you that this is the basic 4 lines, two pairs, and 2 synthetics, which I give to my free community, of which if you want to be a part of other pairs, like I have the gold pair, I have the CFDs, the synthetics, the stocks, there's nothing I don't trade. Basically I trade basically everything, okay, and with high winning rates with all of the things I trade. And for you to be able to have access to all of the many things I trade, and you need to be in my private community, which is also known as my VIP group, okay. And all it takes for you to be in that group is for you to subscribe to my VIP channel, of which once you are subscribed to that, then you can be able to get on board. Okay, it's simple. This is the website. It is kfctrading.com. okay, if you click on the mentorship plan, you're going to find all of the 5 plans, right? Okay, 4 plans, okay, and then it's left for you to choose based on the specifications of all of these plans which will work for you. But I tell you, as soon as that is done, you're going to be added to our VIP channel. Okay, this is a VIP channel, and you will get on board. You have access to all of our pairs and all that I trade. All right, let's dive. Okay, so this is GU, and this was the first entry. Okay, so this entry I got initiated. I think I missed that entry. I was not available when that entry went in, so it was a missed entry. The second one got induced before it went partial, so that's a loss, 20 pips loss. The third one was the one that went straight to take profit. The fourth one is stop loss, so we had 2 stop loss, 1 take profit. Okay, so just that the take profit gave us just a few pips, and it was just about let's see 20 pips. 20, 40 minus 20 is 20, so 20 pips gain. And then we missed this. It did not initiate with our entry. It's quite unfortunate, but that's part of what you see in Forex. Okay, so but it's fine. We're going to catch new moves next week. So obviously we're not profitable, okay, so because we have 20 pips loss in GU in this week, but we're going to recover that in the coming week, and I trust that we'll recover fast and recover quick. Okay, so we have the GJ, which is GBP JPY, okay, and I posted this entry, I think what was this again? I think this was Monday 17th, and it went straight to take profit. Okay, so that was good winning for GJ. Then we're back to the synthetics. Okay, so we have volatility 25, and this is what it gives us. No entry yet on volatility 25, and we have jump 25. So we don't have entries on jump 25 and volatility 25. Alright, so that will be all on the synthetics and Forex. So watch out for the analysis. It's going to be up soon, and that will now tell you exactly what you should do in the coming week. But for the few reviews I have on GU, as we try to recover in the coming week, I must say that we will try as much as possible to see how we can initiate entries in a lower time frame so we don't miss it. If you go to 5 minutes time frame, you will see how this worked. Okay, so it got here, got initiated, so that could have been our entry, and you can see take profit. It's a massive move in the coming week, but like I always tell you, try as much as possible to take stop loss, okay, so that it can enable you to take profit. Analysis is very precise and very correct, and that helps give us an edge, okay, in the market, and with that we will always be able to recover our losses and be profitable. If you look at, you find that the liquidity has just been here all through the week, so if you begin to spot entries from this point, then you should know that this is massive. Okay, so if you cut this from, let's say here, excuse me, you would have got let's say 50 pips. Okay, so that's a good winning rate. Okay, so these are things we're going to be trying in the coming week. And what are those things? We're going to try as much as possible to see how we don't miss our entries. So we're at alert, okay, on the system, on the charts, making sure that we have everything checked. Then we're going to look closely to the entry points to be sure that we do not choose the wrong POI, point of interest, so we do not get left out in the moving trade. We're going to also try as much as possible to take all the stop losses so that confidence will permit us to take profit. Okay, so we take any entry, we're gonna just let it play out. Okay, just let it play out. The analysis are good, and by the time we're able to take the stop loss, take profit, then we can be able to measure up with the RR. But watch out, GU may be going bearish in the coming week, but watch out for the weekly analysis, and I'll tell you exactly what to do in the coming week. See you soon.